a small topic. Quadrupole. Quadrupole. Till now, we discussed about dipoles. Quadrupole is also a type of dipole, right? But in dipole, what we are discussing, in dipole, just one negative charge minus q and positive charge plus q separated by a small distance 2a. Negative charge, similar equal and opposite charges minus q plus q separated by a small distance 2a, then we are calling it as dipole. Sometimes in molecules or in somewhere charge distribution is in such a way, these charges, these positive and negative charges are not along the same line, not along the same line in the distribution of those or arrangement of those charges. See, if you want to write the definition, the arrangement of the, it is an arrangement of charges where positive charge center, positive charge and negative charge are not along the same line, right? Positive charge and negative charge are not along the same line. See, we'll see one example. Here, the charge distribution is like this. For example, if you take H2O molecule, H2O molecule in chemistry, we know that O here, H, and here is one H, and this is O. This O is negative, this H are positive. I am not going into detailed chemistry, but you know that there is a covalent bond between the atoms, and H are positive, O is negative. Whatever the negative charge present here, the positive charge is distributed among Q, this H and H. This is known to us, right? If at all, here some 2Q charge is there, minus 2Q charge, here plus Q and plus Q charge is present. This is a best example for quadrupole. See here, positive charges and negative charge are not along the same line. They are not along the same line like a dipole, right? Here is the positive charge and here is the negative charge. They are not along the same line. This is a best example for quadrupole, right? So if this type of quadrupole is given to you, how to find dipole moment of this quadrupole, net dipole moment of this quadrupole? Again, I am using a word dipole moment. Sir, you said it is a quadrupole. How it is a dipole? How it gives a dipole moment? Simply see here. This is minus 2Q. If I split it here, if I split like this, assume minus Q, combined that is plus Q. minus q, here plus q. How it appears? See, minus q to plus q. It has, this is a dipole now. This is one dipole. Minus q plus q. This is another dipole. So this is just like combination of two dipoles of same dipole moment. Dipole moment direction. See, there is a bond length. This length they provide. Let us say this is some A or this is some L. So from here to here also, this is some L, right? There is some bond angle. Angle also they give. Let this angle is theta. Let that angle is theta, right? Tell me, what is the dipole moment here? What is the dipole moment? Now this is one dipole and this is one dipole. I write like this. This is one dipole and this is one dipole. There is an angle theta between them, right? This dipole moment P. Dipole moment formula is what? Product of magnitude of either charge and distance between the charges. So Q, magnitude of either charge, distance between the charges is L, QL, right? So this is also P is equal to QL. We know dipole moment is a vector. Now this is similar to two vectors making an angle theta with each other. What is the resultant? In what direction that resultant is? What is the resultant? Come on. Can't it be in this direction? P net. What is that resultant? Right. Simple thing. These are two vectors making an angle theta with each other. Then what is P net? Root over P square plus P square plus 2P into P cos theta. We have a formula. This is 2P square plus 2P square cos theta. Take here, which is common? 2P square common inside, 1 plus cos theta. Then 2P square, 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2, right? Then finally what comes out? P net is equal to 2, 2. 1, 2 comes out. P square, P comes out. Up to square root. Cos square theta by 2. Cos theta by 2 comes out. This is the shortcut formula you can use. P net is equal to 2P cos theta by 2. For this type of quadrupoles, what is the net dipole moment? Right? Here the thing is, for this positive, the positive center lies at somewhere here. So this is negative center. Here is P net. Right? That is what we do. Just whenever quadrupole is given, this charge you split it up, it becomes two dipoles, and they provide this angle. So dipole, you write down dipole moment of each dipole, and it's an angle between them. Apply this formula, or directly apply this formula. you will get the answer. Right? Come on, note down one of the important problem. Okay, students. Now we'll solve some problems based on this. Which formula to be remembered? This formula. P net is equal to 2p cos theta by 2. Remember it? There is a problem given like this. Three charges arranged at the three corners of a equilateral triangle. Those charges are plus q, minus 2q, plus q, minus 2q are the three charges arranged at three corners. Plus q, here is plus q, and there is minus 2q. They are arranged at the three corners of a equilateral triangle. Once they said equilateral triangle, immediately we know this angle theta is 60. Clear? The question asked is, what is net dipole moment of this configuration? What is net dipole moment of this configuration? Right? What I said? Minus 2q can be split up into minus q, another minus q, right? Minus q. Here is plus q, here is plus q. So here is one, and they gave the side length as L. Side length. Side length of the triangle is L. Theta is equal to 60. Then what is this angle? 60 degrees. Then this is P and this is P. What is P net? What is P net? What I told you? 2P cos theta by 2. 2P. What is P? Dipole moment. Charge into distance between the charges from negative to positive. Distance is L. QL. Right? 2 QL cos 60 by 2. Then 2 QL cos 30. Root 3 by 2. Right? Cos 30. Answer is root 3 into QL. This is P net. Right? Lights. Three charges are arranged in such a way. Here is plus q, here is minus q, here is plus q. Here is plus q, here is minus 2q, here is plus q. Side length is some a. Side length is a. What is the P net? Net dipole moment of this configuration. Net dipole moment of this configuration. Come on. See, directly you can apply the formula. P net is, what is the formula? 2p cos theta by 2. 2. What is P? Charge into distance between the charges from here to here. A. I already told you this minus 2q can be written as minus q. Here minus q. So it goes up. Minus q like this. Right? So this is one dipole and this is another dipole. This is in this direction. This is in this direction. What is the angle? Angle is 90. So 2qa cos 90 by 2. So 2qa cos 45. Cos 45. 1 by root 2. Right? So what is the answer now? qa root 2 into qa. Root 2 into qa. Right? That is the answer. Like you'll get different problems on the quadrupole combination with the different angles. Theta may be 120. Theta may be 180. If theta is 180, like CO2 molecule, what happens? Net dipole moment becomes 0. With 90 different questions we get in exams, right? Okay, students, we continue tomorrow.